Exercise 39. P of x is minus 4x squared plus 1000x minus 40,000. A business uses this model to estimate the monthly profit Px from selling x units of the 200 units available. If the company's monthly profit is maximized when k units are sold, which of the following methods can be used to find the value of k? Okay, so we can see that in this is the vertex form here. It's assumed to be 125,22,500, which means that we would need to solve x units, and that would have been the profit. Here, so 125 represents k. K is how many units are to be sold. Could be, because in the second one, 125,22,500, this does not represent k. K is the number of units. This would represent here the profit. So that is wrong. Constant 100 represents k. Could it be? We have to see. And 250 represents k. So we are between 125, 100, and 250. We need to graph it. So let's go to Desmos. Let's move here. Minus 4x squared. I'm not going to graph A, C, and D separately, but I'm going to graph the original one. 1000x minus 40,000. Okay, so where would that be? It's somewhere there. Let's go to the 40,000s. Let's see the vertex. The vertex is 125. The vertex of that is 125, 22,500, which means that A is the only right one, because in C the vertex is this, which does not relate to what happens in reality. And here the vertex is 250, 22,500, which is still not right. The only right one is A.